Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to select your seat with Condor Airlines. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Condor Airlines account, which of course I've done right here. Now, how do you create an account with Condor Airlines? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type condor.com/us, go through the on-screen prompt to the top right corner of your screen by clicking on the My Condor tab and sign up. So after signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Condor. So now that we're here, let's learn how we can select a seat or book your seats in Condor. From this homepage, head over to the top of your screen. You're going to find online check-in, flight tickets, and reserve your seat. Now select reserve your seat, and it's going to take you here. Now from here, you can view your current booking, book additional services, reserve a seat, submit advanced passenger information, flight information for destination country. You can even check in. So over here, you're going to have to enter this. Where did you book your flight, your booking number or your check-in reference number, and the date of your outbound flight, passenger name, and click on continue. So once you click on continue, it's going to take you to another window where you now have the option for you to book your seat or to select your seat. Now I'd like you to get some information about this. Book your seat online, easy, quick, and convenient, or reserve one of our popular seats at the emergency exit. So seat reservations are included for guests in business class and economy best, of course. So seat reservation starting from €7. All right, so you can book your regular seat at XL seat or Condor flight easily and conveniently online, either right after you book your flight or at a later time by clicking on My Booking. All right, so for our business class guests, seat reservation are always free of charge. Our prime seat, the best seat in front of the row, can be reserved from this amount. So if you click on this book your seats now, it's going to take you right into this window where you need to fill out all of these details for you to reserve your seat, select your seat, or to book your seat. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can change, you can book your seat or select a seat. You can even do that when you are checking in. You can select a seat when you are not necessarily checking in, but when you're booking the flight, you can see an option for you to select the seat that you love. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.